Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I mainly talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty, always cruelty-free and vegan. We're gonna get into my paid for Boxycharm by Ipsy box. We just got back from vacation at the lake, so I'm a little tan, which like usually doesn't happen. And I am wearing one product from the box, which I don't know about that. It looks like I'm just wearing like lip liner. We have, this is my boost item. So if you pay $15 extra, you can get a boost item. And they had other products, like I think they had, I want to say, well, they had this obviously. They had this obviously, and then they have like some skincare or something. I don't know. But I got the SLNS Glam Stay Sparkly Black and Silver brush set. It has 8 brushes and has a little like gem there. And yeah, they look like pretty brushes. So I got that. Can't have enough brushes ever. Oh, look at that, like little sparkles. Okay. And then what I'm wearing right now is the Me Laala Beauty. And it's a lip gloss, or it's like a lip oil and like a lip with a lipstick, which I cannot get this off my hand. It's kind of, it's very weird how it's sticky. Like, I guess it's transfer proof, but then again, I'm like, I don't know what that's all about. But it's very sticky. I can't like describe it. I thought it was gonna be one of those like I forgot what those products were, like the lip gloss, or it's a lip quencher, excuse me. So it has like this, it looks like a lip gloss to me, or lip like oil to me. Like it's not, it doesn't feel sticky. It feels like an oil. It's just clear. And then I'm not gonna swatch that bad boy. It's right there, like a peachy nude. But yeah, I don't know. Before I put this one on, it was very sticky. Almost kind of, didn't hurt, but it kind of actually does hurt a little bit. It's kind of weird. It's in the shade Birthday Suit, but I don't know why it's so sticky. And then I picked out some, I can't remember which ones I picked out. I will try to put them on the screen. If I don't, I don't. But this is the, I did choose this. The options were kind of odd. I'm hoping August is better. But this is the Beauty Vault Sponge Duo. So got this cute little thing. I might give this to my kids. And they're both, or actually no, one is just like a regular beauty sponge, and then one has kind of like an edge to it. But they're really cute. And then I already have this, and I still don't know if I'm going to use it. But it sometimes happens when I get PR and they have palettes. Sometimes I get the same palette, sometimes I don't. These are what the shades look like. It's just, I mean, it's fine. I still don't know if I'm going to use it because it's just really, it's boring. I'm sorry, but it's boring. So, but it's from Laur Gall. It's the Wildflower Wishes 14 Multi-Finish Shadows, Seasonless Staples. I still will be doing a giveaway whenever I get monetized, which we got a little bit to go. This is not vegan. This is cruelty-free. So I'm going to give it to one of my friends. As collagen in it, so that's why it's not vegan. I wish it was, because I would love to try this, but it's not, because it literally says collagen. It doesn't say vegan collagen. But this is from Tula Skincare. It is their Radiant Skin Brightening Serum Skin Tint Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30 UVA and UVB protection in the shade Light Neutral. So I hope this matches my friend. I mean, it's really nice. Like, it feels soft touch and stuff like that, but I just can't use it. And this little baby thing, it almost looks like you would spray it in your hair. But it actually is a perfume. It's from Pistachio Skincare, and it is in the scent Pistachio Biscotti perfume, and it smells like gelato ice cream, like pistachio gelato ice cream. It smells really, really good, and it is, let's see, manufactured in Santa Monica, made in California, obviously California, and then there's just 4 ingredients. And whenever I see any more spoilers besides this, I did talk about the spoilers in my PR unboxing. I will be getting the Icon box in PR. I also get the Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm By Ipsy as well in PR. This I paid for my own money. But I'm excited about some of these brands, and then a couple products like we've seen before. So, and if you didn't know, the Icon box, John Legend and Chrissy Teigen are going to be the legends, are going to be the whatever, the icons in the box. And also another product that I got, which I don't think I'm going to be opening. I think I'm going to give this to my friend. It is from Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick in the shade Soft Brown. It looked different on the website. I don't think I'm going to open this. I think I'm going to give this to my friend because she likes darker lip shades than me. It is in a nice bullet. It feels nice, like feels like metal, but I'm sure it's plastic. And then There is the shade. I don't know if it's gonna be a terracotta or what, so I'm gonna ask her if she wants this. I think that's gonna look horrible on my teeth. Like, I bet it's gonna make it look super yellow, which I don't have the brightest teeth. But yeah, that is what I got in my box. And if you are interested in spoilers from FabFitFun, as well as Boxycharm by Ipsy and all the Ipsy things like Icon Box, Ipsy Glam Bag, I would click subscribe so you don't miss out. And let me know what boxes you like, what boxes you don't like, which ones have you subscribed to before? Maybe Birchbox, maybe, what is it, Glossy Box? So yeah, as always, stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy.